Hi family, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you are here again. If you are new here on this channel, we talk all things content creation, social media growth, and digital success in today's world. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You already know we are building something powerful here. Every like, comment, and share has helped this community grow, and I am grateful you are part of it. Now, guys, let me ask you a real question. What if I told you that in 2025, you can literally turn your ideas, your voice, and your creativity into influence, income, and global impact right from your phone? Whether you are on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, the opportunity is bigger than ever before. But here is the thing. Most people are still treating social media like it's 2020. So guys, in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to take advantage of the power of social media in 2025. Not just to grow your content, but to build a strong, consistent brand, generate real income, and reach people across nations, cultures, and platforms with your message. If you're serious about turning your creativity into a career and your voice into impact, stick with me. Take advantage of the power of social media by first knowing the 2025 social media game. The rules have changed. 1. Short form content still dominates, but long form content is coming back strong, especially on YouTube. 2. AI tools are helping creators produce more, but authenticity is what is winning hearts. 3. Each platform has its own ecosystem. So, copy pasting content without optimizing it is a big mistake. The new rule is create once, repurpose smartly, speak to each platform like it's a different country. The second reason why you should take advantage of the power of social media is this. Create content that connects and glows. In 2025, successful creators do not just entertain, they educate, empower, and engage. So, guys, your content needs to 1. Connect, be real, be relatable, share behind the scenes struggles and stories. 2. Engage, ask questions, use captions, and drop hooks early to keep attention. 3. Expand. Use tools like auto translations, subtitles, and threads to reach across borders. Every video is an opportunity to inspire someone in a completely different part of the world. The third reason why you should take advantage of the power of social media is to turn your content into multiple income streams. Let's talk money. Serious content creators are not relying on one income stream anymore. In this case, let me give you 5 ways to earn in 2025. 1 is ad revenue. YouTube, Facebook Reels, and TikTok creator rewards. 2 is affiliate marketing. Promote what you use. 3 is digital products, ebooks, templates, and presets. 4 is services, editing, coaching, consulting, and voiceovers. 5 is fun monetization, YouTube memberships, Instagram subscriptions, and TikTok tips. The goal is not just views, it is value, and where there is value, there is income. The fourth and the last reason you have to take advantage of social media in 2025 is go global with a local strategy. 2025 is all about global reach and local consistency. Use platform insights to find where your viewers are coming from. Translate your captions. Use trending hashtags in different languages. Collaborate with creators in different countries or communities. Posting consistently and intentionally in your niche is what creates momentum. As I conclude, guys, you do not need to be famous. You don't need perfect equipment. You just need consistency, clarity, and the courage to start. If this video motivated you, please give it a like so that more creators can see it. Also, subscribe to the channel for more strategies, tools, and motivation. Remember, social media is powerful, but your message is even more powerful. So start showing up, keep creating, and let us build something global together. Thanks for watching once again. See you in my next video. Bye.